DuraPost welcomes you to this instructional video on how to install a featherboard or closed-ball style fence with our DuraPost Classic Post. Using DuraPost with feather edge fence boards is a fast and easy way to build a strong and stylish fence. Please note, this video is designed as a guideline and may not be suitable for all types of installation. Remember to use PPE and ensure safe operation when using power tools. The following tools are required. In this example, we are using a Prima gravel board with a 1.650 metre featherboard, giving a fence height of 1.8 metres. If adding a post cap, allow an additional 15 millimetres. Once you have chosen where to place your fence line, set your first post into the ground. Position your post so it stands at 1.8 metres from the ground. A reinforcement bar can be inserted directly into the Prima board to provide added strength. Once the post is set, slot the gravel board between the posts at the base of the bay, insert the reinforcing rod and secure using colour matching screws. Position the bottom rail. In this example, we are using a 38 by 88 mm motorway rail. When screwing into the post, if you intend to use cover strips, then apply the cover strip washers at this point for each set of screws. Secure the rail to the DuraPost at both ends. Position and secure the middle rail. Repeat this process for the top rail. Note that the top rail is positioned to leave a 15 mm space at the top of the DuraPost to fit an optional post cap. Please see our DuraPost install videos on how to fit post caps and capping rails. Rest your first feather edge board on the composite board. Slide the board into place up against the DuraPost. Nail the board into place through the top, middle and bottom rails. Lay the next board over the previous one as shown. Nail the board into place through all three rails. Install and secure each feather edge board in the same way. Repeat this process for each fence bay. You can also build a continuous closed-board feather edge fence. Place cleat blocks into the base of each post. Secure the blocks into the DuraPost. Select your rail type such as Arris, Cant, 4x2 or 3x2. A wooden gravel board is then positioned outside of the posts. Screw the gravel board into the blocks. Place the board directly over the post and secure onto all three rails. Then continue to board the fence in the same way. This style can also be double boarded.